Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D surface chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make 3D surface chart in this document. Firstly, go to the Insert menu. Now we can see here many options. We choose the chart option. Then we can see here many chart. We select the surface chart and select the 3D surface chart. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert a 3D surface chart. We can edit the surface chart, change style or colors or layout. Click the surface chart and go to the design menu. You can change the style of this chart, otherwise you can change the color. You can apply another layout in this layout drop down menu. Click right button on our mouse, then click 3D rotation. Now we rotate this chart 3D very easily. You can edit this data of this chart. Click right button on our mouse, then go to edit data option. Now we edit this chart data to use the sheet. Now we can see here we edit data this chart. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.